All right, welcome back, everybody. This is the time lapse from the Helena area today. You can see that reddish sky and the lack of visibility across the Helena Valley. It improves a little bit here this afternoon. And yes, the air quality did go unhealthy for sensitive groups earlier today. Right now we are looking at moderate air quality. Still really can't see very well across the Helena Valley, but a lot of that smoke and bad stuff in the air is in the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere. 90 degrees, kind of a southeast wind in the valley, but it's a southwest wind in the hills around town. Great Falls, not much better. Look at that lack of visibility, 96 degrees, and we are looking at just real extreme fire danger, fire weather conditions here in the Electric City area. Gusts up to 31 miles per hour. That wind is technically making for good air quality right now. See Lake also up around Libby. We've got good air quality, but most of the state, the majority of the reporting sites are indicating that the air quality is moderate. 95 in Havre, 92 in Missoula, 97 Glendive, almost 100 degrees in Miles City. Look at the relative humidity. Crazy 8 relative humidity in Great Falls, tied with Havre here, 9% in Cutbank. Look at the Flathead Valley, 9%. That's a real dry day up there. Factor that in with the wind, with the hot temperatures, and you've got that red flag warning conditions here. This is actually a child abduction warning for the entire state of North Dakota, issued by the Grand Forks Sheriff's Department there. That's out in North Dakota. But here in the state, we've got a few showers and thunderstorms, just like yesterday down to the south here, where a couple of these storms crossing around the Townsend area. I want to move to Townsend, where it rains almost every single day. Unfortunately, we do have some lightning strikes with those storms to the south of the Helena area, down around Townsend. Monsoon storms in the Rockies, and then look at all of this rain in the East Coast. What a difference, where we've got flood watches and just torrential rain on the east side of the country, and most of the west is dealing with dangerous fire weather conditions and also very hot temperatures as well. So there you can see the fires here burning in Montana. Davis fire, 213 acres. A couple other smaller fires I want to just inform you about. The Porcupine fire, the 10-mile fire up here between Libby and Eureka, 12 and 40 acres. The fire near Libby, the Highway 37 fire, 70 acres, 80% containment. I think today might be the last time I'm going to talk about these two fires, the Reynolds Lake fire, because it's been 100% contained and hasn't changed, and also the Wawa fire, the largest fire in the state thus far, 100% containment, and really not much in the way expected from any of those fires. Bacon Rind fire, though, I'm going to keep talking about because it's 0% contained, but it has been receiving some thunderstorms over the last couple of days, hopefully getting some of that moisture as well. So a few storms, south central Montana here tonight into tomorrow morning, and then Friday, the cold front sweeps through the state. No real thunderstorms unless you go down closer to Interstate 90 here. That's where we'll have a couple of thunderstorms popping there tomorrow afternoon. But a very windy day, dangerous day for fire weather conditions. And then Saturday, it settles down a bit. It cools down, and look at the showery weather up in the northern part of the state. So for tomorrow, windy. Not as hot, but the wind will be worse. The humidity could be equally as bad. Dangerous fire weather conditions tomorrow. Does improve somewhat on Saturday, highs in the 70s to near 80 degrees. And then into Sunday, a couple of scattered thunderstorms around the state. Not too bad with temperatures in the 70s and the 80s. Here's the 7-day forecast for Great Falls. About 86 tomorrow. Very windy day, very high fire danger. Better conditions, but the fire danger sticks around Saturday and Sunday. Remember, it's been a very dry July. And look at next week as we have temperatures going up near 100 degrees by Wednesday and Thursday. This is going to be a pretty tough August here, and fortunately we haven't seen much of the wildfires here in Montana just yet.
Okay, we appreciate the info. Thanks.